Alright, now we're going to solve a parallel circuit for the other part of our review of DC theory, and then we're going to do a combination circuit of the two of them. But for parallel circuits, we can't just add up the resistors, so instead we're going to have to add these up in parallel. So in order to do that, we have to add the reciprocals of those. If you only have two resistors, you can do the product of the sum. But since we have three resistors, we're going to do the reciprocal method. So we've got 1 over 1 k ohm plus 1 over 3 k ohms plus 1 over 2 k ohms. Now when we do those, we're going to have 1 1,000th and 1 3,000th and 1 2,000th. So if we just wrote those out instead of using a calculator, we'd have 1 over 1,000 plus 1 over 3,000 plus 1 over 2,000. Now, you could do that on a piece of paper, I'm sure, but you're going to go ahead and use your calculator using the reciprocal method like we showed you. So you'll go 1,000 reciprocal plus 3,000 reciprocal plus 2,000 reciprocal equals reciprocal equals, and you should end up with 545.45, and that's a continuous number, so we're not going to carry it on any further than that, and that comes out in ohms. Now that goes along with the rule. The rule is that we should have less resistance total. Our total resistance, RT, should be less than the smallest resistor. The smallest resistor is 1,000 ohms. So therefore, this one here, and our answer is 545. So that's by the rule of thumb, that works out pretty good. Okay, so now what we need to do is use Ohm's law again. We're trying to find current again. Just like our last circuit, we were given voltage and we have to find current. So we take the voltage and we're going to use total resistance divided into the voltage. So the voltage is 6 volts. We're going to divide that by 545.45 ohms, and we're going to get 6 divided by 545.45 is equal to 0.011 amps. Now if we convert that into milliamps, we would move our decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to the right, and that will be 11 milliamps. So we've got either 0.011 amps or 11 milliamps should be your answer to that problem. Okay, you try it, and then I'll move on to combination circuits, and I'll see you there.